तो बच्चों आज के वीडियो में हम लोग ये प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करने वाले हैं. नंबर ऑफ स्पेसिस बिलो दैट हैव टू लोन पेयर्स ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इन देयर सेंट्रल atom is. So what we have to find is lone pairs on the central atom. So if you look at the SF4, so what will be the central atom? Sulfur. Sulfur has 6 valence electrons, out of which 4 will be used to create the bonds, and there will be one lone pair on the sulfur. But they are asking two lone pairs, okay? But here there is just one lone pair, so that means SF4 is not an option. And remember that on the fluorine there is how many lone pairs? 3 lone pairs, okay? But we don't have to do anything with this. What they are asking is two lone pairs of electrons in the central atom, so we have to just consider sulfur central atom, okay? Similarly for BF4 as well, as you can see, boron has 3 valence electrons, and since there is a negative charge, there will be 4 electrons, right? So 4 electrons will be used to make the 4 bonds with fluorine. So this is also not optional. There will be 0 lone pairs on the central atom, that is boron. Then ClF3. ClF3. So there will be 3 fluorine atoms, and at the center there will be chlorine. So chlorine's valence electrons are 7, out of which 3 will create the bonds with fluorine, and there will be 4 electrons left. That means there will be 2 lone pairs on the chlorine. That means this is the answer, right? ClF3. ClF3 is an option, okay? That is correct option. But what they're asking is number of species, okay? So we have to keep on doing this for other molecules as well. SF3. AS and F3. So AS has 5 valence electrons, 3 will be used to create the bonds with fluorine, and there will be 1 lone pair. So this is also not option because we need 2 lone pairs. Next one is PCl5. Cl5. Phosphorus has 5 valence electrons, and all 5 valence electrons will be used to create the bonds with chlorine. That means phosphorus has 0 lone pairs. Next one is XeF4. So Xe has 8 valence electrons, and 4 will be used to create the bonds, and there will be 4 electrons. That means 2 lone pairs on the Xe. So this is also option, correct option. Finally, we have SF6. So sulfur has 6 valence electrons. All 6 will be used to create the bonds with fluorine. That means no lone pairs on this one. So options ClF3 and XeF4. That means 2. 2 is the answer for this question. Number of species is 2. So to solve this problem, you need to know like how many valence electrons are there in each of these items. Then you will be able to solve this problem. Thanks for watching.